Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything we don't concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Larry Iyore, the way you do. Iyore, which day you dey go Benin? You know go Benin for go. You know go Benin. May therefore forgive you for your sins where you don't commit. Which day you dey go Benin, Iyore? The way you do. See, may I tell you something? If you lack, you and Monica settle. That will not be anybody problem. The problem when you dey pass through, when you dey go Benin, Iyore. You know they listen to that I tell you. When you dey go Benin, that will be the important thing where they important for you. That the way you do. When you dey go Benin, when you know where the roho o me wa je do. When you dey go, if let you and Monica go settle, that will not be anybody problem. That will not be anybody problem. The problem right now is that when you dey go Benin, Iyore, I say when you dey go Benin, that the way you do. Warunu waroho wa me over wa. Warunu waroho wa me over wa. Yewe owo ha kuku no rivekwere ya aku. We tama we na owo ha kuku no rivekwere ya aku. We na tiebone do mere edo anota. Yori. I don't know where you're from. Say maybe I saw you they forgive this one. Say this one forgive you. We know why you all those things because a lot to bring a ladia ban. A lot to bring a lot to bring a ladia ban we ni kiwe do settle. Because over wayane why is the leader. Who am I settle agbon why Monica is the leader. That make all of them want settle by all means. Okay. All of them know say Iyeki is the leader. That make all of them want settle now. That make all of them they plan to settle. Very soon now, I don't they see Lolo here in Lajana way and some young Monica see settle. After Wadun rubbish and after Wadun condemn over for many years. When Iyore, that they will condemn any Monica now. No, you condemn is the obey Agmoye logo working. Wabazege atana we and don't settle. See, if you and Monica settle, that will not be anybody problem. Wait till make me they attack you. Now because of say you go through map, give our palace. You know the year they tell you, Iyore. Who were I be where the Igbo man wey they carry waka. We they don't want to carry go Benin. Iyore. The Igbo man wey they carry waka. They don't worry though. At least you need to go to Benin. Now I forgive you. I forgive you when a fan make you go one. If you don't wear jedo, at least I give you next year. And next year, take for mana jedo. Yes, I say Allah we be Allah we be Allah we be vota. Iyore we go gwana. Umana jedo next year. Okay, what do make you the fear to go Benin? If not be evil way you don't do. What do make you the fear to go Benin, Iyore? Iyore mo agu mu we umana lu jedo. What's the one that mu we umana lu jedo? When who hone umana lu jedo and follow us we no etiku we gwanro. Iyore, when who honey, that make you the run for Benin. Where do you make you the run for Benin? Why you don't want to go Benin? Your passport you walk away. Ovibo my passport with my passport. Wagule ye warum, wagule wakwa ye rumokba. Iyore, wagule wakwa ye rumokba. Erumuni erumuni nyagbai. Erumu wale wakwa nyagbai. Wawovigbo when wale wakwa nyave we bono wala life we living now. No people that left wa we la dia we rock ba. I knew what that the way Italy said that the way the German said that the way Jolandi said Iyore apart from warerum we baba wa azuwa from sort of water ministry. When you dey go Benin Iyore, now the question I continue to ask you. If you never go Benin, I will never leave you. Even though people talk say Iyore, is here. Oman jet on the because fake people eat boost evagbona. Even not me wagwana. Fake people that many pass. If you no ni wow and you only be straight dogo talk because they are jealous of Benin. The boss say Benin is the great city, great land. That they treat for Benin people so that they, as our culture they powerful. All those they run on like them. As our culture they powerful, our neighboring states, neighboring people they don't like them. They jealous of Benin. So our heritage is very powerful. That is why you see so many people always attack Benin. Now we say Mona state not get better heritage. All of the way they attack Benin. Now we say Mona state not get better heritage. Where be say Iyore they support evil things. Where be say now what they no say want do good things. Iyore, Iyawe, no ne ane, no na mia, no mia. Who shit for who shit we forget, but who pack that shit we never forget. The question I continue to ask Iyore, when you dey go back to Benin, you know if you dey Europe for many years, you say you know visit Benin, that's frustrated. It's a frustrated soul. Igbo, me I hear say they had to go Igbo land, go to invest on that side. Odogu, you dey go carry salt and water money, take go to invest for Igbo land. You dey pretend may Iyore not go Benin. Odogu, you know if to say you really love Iyore the way you dey claim say you be Christian, you be that. They no go kill Iyore for Benin. Odogu na where they talk to so they no go kill Iyore for Benin. Anything make you carry Iyore go Benin. You will see and say, once they don't do everything they want to do for her, you go come back peacefully, nobody will sort her again. Odogu, you they pretend, Odogu, you know what they do. You know what they do, you when they friend Iyore, you know what they do, they pretend, because you know if you carry this woman go Benin, things go better for her. The woman going to invest for Benin. You know what made this woman they invest for Benin? That make you they carry this woman, they go Igbo land, they go Lagos. You they carry this woman, they go Igbo land, they go Lagos, so that may go they invest on Lagos, they invest on Benin, may they do a shetro there. Because Benin people is so zwa. Even a vera jena na oviesa wa gboni shetro ni am. A vera na o mighty kokemo oviesa agbe shetro. Ovi gbona na gbu shetro. Why me we go gbu shetro na wa o or is a bed do what wa complain. Or is a bed do wa complain. Wa ke ma yan gbu shetro na. Control go gbu shetro na wa o. Wow. Iyore, when you they go Benin, the question why they ask you, so when you they go Benin, they worry, okay, you know what go Benin, they pretend. Who will pretend? And another thing again why they warn you. You see all of the way they say, Iyore atok be, Oba atok be, Ogbonva agbeluwa, Gwason agbeluwa, when we yata. The one that they say, Iyore atok be, Oba atok be, see, may I tell you now, Ogbonva agbeluwa, Ogwason agbeluwa. Uwa, the one that they say, Iyore atok be, Oba atok be, what a nonsense. And they watch this Mumu woman video, you they hear say Iyore atok be, Oba atok be, you don't they molest our palace, don't they molest, hey God. Iyore, where? Agbu asagbe we ajedu. Where? I must gbu asan because when na we mila, our move, e cannot push you we push you. A doctor no run with a doctor. He can't the doctor go. The doctor, where we are video na beg away. I got pretend the lady Iyore. Why got pretend? Why our video na beg who? Ya na who agree support Iyore. Why oh? Ni ya go we where the other girl no support my man no what here ni ya o ma settle with you na. Again ni good go we na time we. A girl ba no to we support we sa my man no what here we da I dey forget that girl name. The girl now, Maya settle with the girl in there because when I let that girl they both they support Iyore, the rest of them they pretend they follow that woman. All those audio support what they do, audio support, that one I support, audio support. Where be say you know if you fall and say okay, I didn't support this woman, I beg away. A doctor that they never know where when unless is they will pretend, the doctor will pretend. Forget the way Iyore, you are pretending. Who are not gonna love Iyore? What persuade no riedo ewu edogbomawa wa persuade we next year yore mana jedo em wa gwala social media wa ami if yore no go Benin next year we no dey fair for this social media na go see am yage moki face no ro oni wu here ike no wu. See, if Iyore go Benin, many women go flog her. Yes, now they must flog her now because nobody they use the Papa Broadcast they play. Nobody, no pikin they use the Papa Broadcast they play. Okay, can I flog her? He flog her. He real to tell me why he got here doku. You call it tell they say why he got here doku. Edo na yaku. Edo na yaku. For you to become a Benin, say you be Benin man, you be Benin citizen. You know what God do for you. For you to become a Benin citizen, you know maybe they jealous say they be Benin. They only pretend. I never know. For the full Nigeria, how many states they even know? How many states? You know, be Igbo speaking language, you call them make Igbo the game name. Hausa, I didn't tell Hausa. Which people Hausa for this Europe? Hausa, which people now? Which state not know for Hausa with the Europe? Which state not know for Hausa with the Europe? You know, be Igbo where they carry Igbo name the waka. They be not know there. May they talk about one state for Igbo land. Which state they want to talk? Just they say they can't cover all of them together and come many. I tell Igbo. Mention one state say na Anambra this or na Imo this or na Enugu this. Not be Igbo that they talk. Only one state will be Benin. Benin they everywhere. Only one state where they shake the whole world. Only one state where they shake the whole world. You see now a kid you want to play. Kid way ho, great state. Benin kingdom, king way feel whole and strong. It is easy. You just say to say Benin reach like 6 states, the way Igbo reach 6 states. Do you see anybody for they talk for that Nigeria? When show me about in Nigeria, and you got maybe those states we reach like 6 states for Nigeria. All of us they speak one language. Like the way Igbo they speak one language, outside they speak one language, Yoruba they speak one language. Say Benin reach 6 states. You notice when I feel they made any here. What you waga misbehavior? You know many some people they regret to they say to say I be Benin for laka. Even though those years how many of them go to build house for their city? Not be Benin all of them they build house put. How many Benin people they go build house for Esan? When me in Nigeria that year they go Esan land. No Benin people they build house for Esan land. Now so Benin all of them they build house put. How many Benin people they go to build house for Esan land? Because no way no clear. Not because Benin they observe people. Benin with the observe people before we associate with you, we will observe you whether you did well, whether you did okay. If you don't do okay, we'll run, leave you. See, I the paro now, the paro. I just the paro. Yori, when you go ask, don't let me come out for you again. Yori, I the paro for you. And when you go ask, Ovigbo, the Yori Arewa, Gege, no bad forgive, Nenika forgive,
Nine.